Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of do. Sometimes, it is difficult to know the exact nature of an action. For example, very little work has been done in this field. The second definition of do. Use it before a verb, except for be, can, might, ought, should, will in negative statements and questions. For example, do you have any pets? American pronunciation. Do. Do. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Do. Say. Do. Do means perform action. Do. Do. Do origin. Old English don, Germanic origin. Related Dutch doen and German tune from an Indo-European root that is shared with Greek tithemi, I place, and Latin facere, make, make. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. I really didn't know what I was doing. Now, repeat after me. I really didn't know what I was doing. The second practice. There was nothing he could do anyway at the moment. Now, repeat after me. There was nothing he could do anyway at the moment.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.